ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે નોર્મલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન સ્ટાર્ટ કરેલું હતું, એનો ટાઈપ 2 એના એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2 આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલો હતો. નાવ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 3. The mean and standard deviation of normal variate is 550 respectively. Find probability of following value. First, what percentage of observation between 550 and 650? More than 600, less than 450. First of all, mu is given. Mu is 500. Small sigma, that is standard deviation, is 50. First question, what percentage of observation between 550 and 650? x1 is equal to 550 to x2 is equal to 650. Convert x into z. Z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon small sigma to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon small sigma. Z1 is equal to x1 550 minus mu 500 divided by 50 to z2 is equal to 650 minus 500 divided by 50 is equal to z1 is equal to 550 minus 500, that is 50 divided by 50, 1, 2. Z2 is equal to 650 minus 500, that is 150 divided by 50, that is 3. So between 1 to 3. Now area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1 plus છે એટલે right hand side, z2 is equal to 3 plus છે એટલે 1 ની right hand side. આપણે 1 થી 3 ની વચ્ચેનો એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે, એટલે between 1 and 3. So first of all we have to find out between 0 to 3. એમાંથી આપણે માઇનસ કરશું between 0 to 1. So p of x is equal to z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 3 minus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1. z is equal to 3. એરિયા જે આપણે આપેલો છે એ 0 થી આપેલો છે. 3 ની સામેનો એરિયા 3.0, that is 4987, 0.4987 minus 1, 0.3413, 0.3413, 4987 minus 3.3413, 0.4987 minus 0.3413, that is 0.1574, 0.1574. We have to find out percentage. So percentage is equal to probability multiplied by 100. 0.1574 multiplied by 100, that is 15.74%. This is your first answer. Second one, more than 600. More than 600. x1, x 600 or more. Convert x into z. Z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Z is equal to 600 minus mu 500 divided by standard deviation 50. 500 divided by 50. So 200 divided by 50, that is 2. 100 divided by 50, sorry, that is 2. 2 or more. Draw area under normal curve. Exact center માં z is equal to 0, 2 plus છે એટલે right hand side આવશે. z is equal to 2. એનાથી more એટલે કે 2 કરતા વધારે, 2 or more, બધા એનાથી right hand side વાળા. We know that right hand side ની total probability છે 0.5. So P of x is equal to right hand side ની total probability 0.5, એમાંથી આપણે z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 2 ની probability minus કરશું. Z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 2. So 0.5 minus 2, z is equal to 2, 2.0 નું 0 માં 4772, 0.4772. 0.5 minus 0.4772, 0.0228. This is your second answer. Next one, third one, less than 450. X 450 or less. Convert x into z, x minus mu upon standard deviation or less. Z is equal to 450 minus 500 divided by 50 or less. Z is equal to minus 50 divided by 50, that is minus 1 or less. Draw area under normal curve. Exact center માં z is equal to 0. 1 minus છે, minus એટલે left hand side આવશે, એનાથી less એટલે left hand side વાળા બધા observation. We know that left hand side ની total probability છે 0.5. So P of x is equal to left hand side ની total probability 0.5. એમાંથી આપણે minus કરશું, z is equal to minus 1 to z is equal to 0. So 0.5 minus z is equal to 1, that is 0.3413. 0.5 minus 0.3413, 0.1587. This is your last answer, third answer. Here our sum is completed. Now next, example number 4. The weight of 400 students are normally distributed. Mean weight and standard weight is 48 kg and 8 kg. Then find the number of students whose weight is between 44 to 60. Second, less than 54. We have to find out number of students. So first of all, number is equal to probability multiplied by capital N. Capital N means how many students are there? Total there are 400 students. So N is equal to 400. Mean weight that is mu is equal to 48 kg. Standard deviation, that is small sigma, is equal to 8 kg. Now first we have to find out between 44 to 60. Number of students whose weight is between 44 and 60 kg. So x1 is equal to 44 to x2 is equal to 60. Convert x into z, that is z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation. Here x1. 2, z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. Z1, x1 44 minus mu 48 divided by 8. 2, Z2 60 minus 48 divided by 8. Z1 is equal to 44 minus 48, that is minus 4, divided by 8, that is minus 0.5. 0.5 to Z2. 60 minus 48, that is 12, 12 by 8. 60 minus 48, that is 12 by 8, 1.5 plus 1.5. Draw area under normal curve. Exact center માં z is equal to 0. 0.5 minus છે, તેથી left hand side આવશે. 1.5 plus છે, so right hand side. Between these two, minus 0.5 to plus 1.5. So first we have to find out minus 0.5 to z is equal to 0. Then after 0 to 1.5 બેની પ્રોબેબિલિટી આપણે પ્લસ કરશું. P of x is equal to z is equal to minus 0.5 to z is equal to 0 plus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1.5. Okay. 0.5 0.51915 0.1915 1.5 4332 0.4332. Total of these two 0.1915 plus 0.4332, that is 0.6742 6247. We have to find out number of student. Number of student is discussed with starting that number is equal to P of x multiplied by n. So P of x multiplied by n. 0.6247 multiplied by how many students are there? 400 students. So capital N is equal to 400. 0.6247 multiplied by 400, that is 249.88, that is 250. There are 250 students whose weight between 44 to 60 kg. Next, second one, less than 54. We have to find out numbers. સૌથી પહેલા x 54 or less, z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation or less, z is equal to 54 minus mu is 48 and standard deviation 8, 48 divided by 8 or less. Z is equal to 54 minus 48 by 8, 0.75 or less. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0, 0.75 plus છે એટલે right hand side, એનાથી less એટલે કે એના કરતા ઓછા left hand side વાળા બધા. We know that total probability of left hand side is 0.5. So P of x is equal to total probability of left hand side, that is 0.5 plus z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 0.75. So 0.5 plus 0.75, that is 0.7 એનું 005 માં 0.7 એનું 005 માં 2734, 0.2734 plus 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.2734, that is 0.7734. We have to find out numbers. So number is equal to probability multiplied by capital N, 0.7734 multiplied by 400. So multiplied by 400, 309. There are 309 students whose weight is less than 54 kg. So here our example number 4 is completed. Next, example number 5. The mean and standard deviation of normal distribution is 12 and 2 respectively. Find what percentage of observation between 10 to 13.5, between 11.4 to 14.2 and more than 9.6. Here mu, mean 12, standard deviation 2. We have to find out percentage in each cases. So first of all we have to find out probability. First, between 10 and 13.5. So x1 is equal to 10 to x2 is equal to 13.5. z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. Z1 x1 is equal to 10, mu is equal to 12, standard deviation 2. Z2 is equal to x2 is equal to 13.5 minus 12 divided by 2. Z1 is equal to 10 minus 12, that is minus 2, minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1. To Z2, 13.5 minus 12, that is 1.5, 1.5 divided by 2, that is 0.75. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં Z is equal to 0. 1 માઇનસ છે એટલે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવશે, 0.75 પ્લસ છે એટલે રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવશે. Total of these two probability. So P of x is equal to Z is equal to -1 to Z is equal to 0 plus Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to 0.75. Okay, -1 0.3413, 0.75, 0.7 નું 005 માં, that is 2734. 0.2734. Total of these two, 0.3413 plus 0.2734, that is 6147. Now we have to find out percentage. So percentage is equal to probability multiplied by 100. 0.6147 multiplied by 100, that is 61.47%. This is your first answer. Second one, between 11.4 to 14.2. Between 11.4 to 14.2. Okay. x1 11.4 to x2 14.2. Convert x into z, that is Z1 is equal to x1 minus mu upon standard deviation to Z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. Z1 x1 11.4 minus mu is equal to 12, standard deviation 12 by 2. Z2 14.2 minus 12 divided by 2. So Z1 is equal to 11.4 minus 12, that is 0.6 minus 0.6 divided by 2, that is minus 0.3. 2. Z2 is equal to 14.2 minus 12, 14.2 minus 12, that is 2.2 divided by 2, 1.1. 1.1 is plus. Draw area under normal curve, that is bell shape. Exact middle માં Z is equal to 0. 0.3 minus છે એટલે left hand side, 1.1 plus છે એટલે right hand side. એની બંનેની વચ્ચેનો એરિયા. So probability P of x is equal to Z is equal to -0.3 to Z is equal to 0 plus Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to 1.1. 0.3 0.31179, 0.1179, 1.1 3643, 0.3643. Okay, બંનેનો ટોટલ 0.1179, 0.3643, that is 4822. 0.4822. We have to find out percentage. So percentage is equal to probability multiplied by 100. 0.4822 multiplied by 100, 48.22%. Next, last, what percentage of observation more than 9.6? More than 9.6. X 9.6 or more. Z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. 9.6 minus 12 divided by 2 or more. Z is equal to 9.6 minus 12 divided by 2, -1.2 or more. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0. 1.2 માઇનસ છે એટલે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ, એનાથી મોર એટલે કે એના કરતાં વધારે બધા રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ વાળા ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન. વી નો ધેટ રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી છે 0.5. સો p of x is equal to z is equal to -1.2 to z is equal to 0 પ્લસ રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી 0.5 1.2 3849 0.3849 plus 0.5 3849 0.3849 plus 0.5 8849. We have to find out percentage. So percentage is equal to probability multiplied by 100. 0.8849 multiplied by 100, so 88.49%. This is your answer. Next one, example number 6. The mean and standard deviation of 400 students of SYBBA is 52 and 8 respectively. The standard of passing mark is 40 marks, standard of second class is 48 to 60, and standard of first class is 66 and more marks. Find the number of pass student, number of student getting second class, number of student getting first class. Okay, first of all there are total 400 students, so n is equal to 400. Mean mark, that is mu is equal to 52. Their standard deviation is 8. Starting passing mark criteria is 40. First question, number of pass student, passing criteria is 40 marks, so anybody have 40 plus mark, they are pass. So our condition is student getting 40 or more marks, 40 or more marks. Then and only then he or she was pass. So 40 કરતા વધારે માર્ક્સ હશે ત્યારે જે પાસ થઈ શકશે. So x is equal to 40 or more. Z is equal to x minus mu upon standard deviation or more. Z is equal to 40 minus 52 divided by 8 or more. Z is equal to 40 minus 52, that is 12, 12 by 8 minus 12 by 8 minus 1.5 or more. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0. 1.5 માઇનસ છે એટલે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ આવશે, એનાથી મોર કીધા છે, મોર 1.5 કરતાં વધારે ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન બધા હશે રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં. રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની ટોટલ પ્રોબેબિલિટી વી નો 0.5. સો p of x is equal to z is equal to -1.5 to z is equal to 0, this probability, plus right hand side ની total probability 0.5. 1.5 minus 4332, 0.4332 plus 0.5, 0.9332. We have to find out number of student. So number is equal to probability multiplied by capital N. 0.9332 multiplied by number of observation 400 multiplied by 400. 0.9332 multiplied by 400, 373. There are 373 students who are passed in the examination. Second one, number of students getting second class. Second class ક્યારે મળશે? જ્યારે માર્ક્સ 48 થી 60 ની વચ્ચે હશે ત્યારે. Number of students getting second class. So between 48 to 60, જેના માર્ક્સ 48 થી 60 ની વચ્ચે હશે એને સેકન્ડ ક્લાસ મળશે. x1 is equal to 48 to x2 is equal to 60. z1 is equal to x1 minus mu to z2 is equal to x2 minus mu upon standard deviation. z1 is equal to 48 minus 60 divided by 12 to z2 is equal to divided by 8, standard deviation 8, to z2 is equal to 60 minus, here mean marks is 52, 60 minus 52 divided by 8. So 48 minus 52, that is minus 4 by 8, minus 0.5, to z2 is equal to 60 minus 52, that is 8 by 8, 1. Draw area under normal curve. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0.5 minus છે એટલે left hand side, 1 plus છે એટલે right hand side. એ બેની વચ્ચેનો area. So probability is equal to z is equal to minus 0.5 to z is equal to 1 plus z is 0, z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1, 0.5, 0.1915, 1.3413. Total of these two, 0.1915 plus 0.3413, 5328. And number probability multiplied by n, 0.5328 multiplied by 400 multiplied by 400, 213. So there are 213 students who secured second class. Next, number of students getting first class. First class માટેનો criteria છે 66 or more marks. Third, number of students getting first class, marks more than 66. Okay, x 66 or more, z x minus mu upon standard deviation or more, z 66 minus 52 divided by 8 or more. 66 minus 52, 66 minus 52, that is 14 by 8, 1.75 or more. Draw area. Exact middle માં z is equal to 0, 1.75 plus છે એટલે right hand side, એનાથી more એટલે right hand side વાળા બધા observation. So probability is equal to right hand side ની probability we know that 0.5, એમાંથી આપણે minus કરશું 0 થી લઈ અને 1.75, z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1.75, 0.5 1.75, 1.7 નું 005 માં 4599, 0.4599, 0.5 minus 0.4599, 0.0401. We have to find out number, probability multiplied by n, 0.0401 multiplied by 400, 16.04, that is 16. There are total 16 students who secured first class. So here our example is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.